introduce you my members group. First is Ahmad Fikri Hakim bin Amir Hamzah, and second is Imran Nurdin bin Khairuddin, and third is Muhammad Arif Hakimi bin Muhammad Azdi. We have been given an assignment to make a video about one chapter that we have learned by our lecturer, and this is the one of the question that we will answer. First, it is the past year question, which is from October 2009, and second is also from the past year question, which is from October 2012. And we enjoy the video result. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karikwan bin Zazili, and today and now I want to show you how to answer the first question. And for the first question is find an elementary path of length 7 from node A, which is this node A, and node F, which is this node F. For the first question, we need to know what is elementary path is. Elementary path is a path with distinct vertices. Okay, for the answer from question 1, it will be the answer will be A, and then G, I, H, C, D, E, and F. If we see at this answer, all the line only go through once at a time, and then we just need to write all our answer at the paper sheet like this. And next we see the next question, which is the question sounds, what is an Eulerian circuit? If the circuit exists in the graph, give an example. If not, state your reason. Here we need to know if there is Eulerian circuit in the graph. And here we need to know what is the Eulerian circuit. An Eulerian circuit is a path that begins and ends at the same time at the same vertex and traverses each exactly once. As you can see in the graph, there is no Eulerian circuit. It is because an Eulerian circuit, because there are vertices with odd degree. And for the answer, we only have to write the meaning of Eulerian circuit and whether there is there is exist or does not exist in the graph, and we also need to give a reason. Next is question 3. Okay. What is a Hamiltonian path? If the path exists in the graph, give an example. If not, state your reason. This question is similar to second question, which is we need to know what is the meaning of Hamiltonian path. Hamiltonian path is a path in a graph that passes through its vertex exactly one, which means Hamiltonian the path starting with a vertex and passing through all the vertices exactly one, and also end with the same place where it starts. Like we can see in our answer, we will write what is Hamiltonian path and give one example, and this is the example. As we can see, the starting is F and the end of the example is J. And for question number and the last question, they ask us to give an example of a spanning tree with roots of node H, which is node H is this. And for the first thing we need to do is we need to know that the H is the higher in the spanning tree. And next, we need just to find out where is H connect to, which is G, C, J, and I. And this is G, C, H, and I. This is the first floor. This is the first answer. And next, we have to look where is the next, where is all this node connect to, and G connect to A and C connect to B and D, and I there is nothing, and J also there is nothing. For the next step, we need to know where is this node connect to, and B there is nothing connect to, and D it's connect to E, and then it also connect to F. And for the answer, we need to draw the spanning tree just like what we did before, and that's all from our questions, and thank you very much.
So the next question will be October 2009 question 4A. The first question asks what is the name of root that transverse all the edges exactly once and give an example of the root. Give reasons for your answer. So based on the question, we know that the description is referring to an Euler path. So what is Euler path? Euler path is a path that uses every edges of a graph exactly once. And Euler path start and end at different vertices. So we'll take B as an main vertices. So from B to A, to L, to K, to J, to I, to H, to G, to F, to E, to D, to C, to B, to K, to H, E, B, L, J, H, F, and N with D. And for the reason is it has exactly two vertices without degree, which are B and D. So for the next question is question number 2. Find a root that traverses every vertices exactly once and returning to the original starting vertex. Give reasons for your answer. So based on the question, we know that it's referring to Hamilton's circuit. So what is Hamilton's circuit? Hamiltonian circuit is a path that uses each vertex of a graph exactly once and return to the starting vertex. A graph that contains a Hamiltonian circuit is called Hamiltonian. So we take A for the start. From A it goes to L, to K, to J, to I, to H, to G, to F, to E, to D, to C, to B, and finally to A. So the answer is ALKJL HGFEDCBA, and the reason for that is that the Hamiltonian circuit exists because it passes through each vertex exactly once and also start and end at the same vertex, which is A. And for the final question, it asks us to draw two examples of spanning trees. So what is a spanning tree? In the mathematical field of graph theory, a spanning tree T of an undirected graph G is a subgraph that is a tree which includes all the vertices of G with a minimum possible number of edges. So let's look at this video. So here are the final answer for the spinning tree. Thank you for watching our video.